Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Experian Boost for affordability insights, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Experian Boost website. Once there, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will need to create an Experian account if you don't have one. Enter your email address and create a secure password. After filling out the necessary information, click on Sign Up. Next, you will be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Experian. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Experian Boost website and log in. Now, you'll see the option to link your bank account. Select the bank account you want to connect for affordability insights. Follow the prompts to securely log in to your bank account. After successfully linking your account, Experian will analyze your payment history. You will be shown potential positive impacts on your credit score. Review the details and confirm the information provided is accurate. Once you're satisfied, proceed by clicking Boost My Credit Score. You will receive a notification confirming that your boost has been completed. Keep in mind, you can adjust your linked accounts at any time. Finally, explore the dashboard for ongoing insights related to your credit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.